Sensi, Daisy, Turtle, Shima, Funk, Inzo Viliani. So here these are the these are the partners. These are the partners. Sorry, partners not. These are the DAO contributors and advisors. If we talk about roadmap, let's see what is it in it. So if we talk about roadmap, Q1, first is DAO information, second one is branding, third one is social setup, K9 pre-sale, K9 token generation, second one architectural design, audits, testnet deployment, Hespero Sionai, bug bounties. Third one is K9 Finance Taking V launch, Boro Paginei, Siberian Bridge, Swap integration, and fourth one is K9 Finance V2 launch, K9. So basically, what is K9 Finance DAO? Real yield from the Siberium network. K9 Finance DAO is built on Siberium, a L2 blockchain network built for Shiba Inu. Now let's talk about other tokens as well. So you will have to write this is the site name, sorry, site address. Okay, so you have to write this and you will get this page. This page will get open. Okay, so here you have to scroll down your page. Now you can see the first token is ना होगा। तो इसमें आपको क्या करना है, बस कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे आपको सबसे पहले तो आपको GT अकाउंट बनाना होगा, ये गेट अकाउंट, सॉरी गेट IO अकाउंट, ठीक है। उसमें क्या करना है, आपको $10 आपको रखना है, आपके पास $10 होना चाहिए, ताकि आप K9 फाइनेंस डाउ को एज अ इसका 1% का शेयर आप इसको ले सको। ओके, सो हियर, okay, so basically you have to just hold $10 in your account just for the for to purchase 1% share of K9 Finance stock. So let's talk more about K9 Finance DAO. What is this? So first we'll start with project introduction. So K9 Finance DAO is the official liquid staking, which is LSD, for the Shiba Inu Layer 2 blockchain. The project offers core DeFi services and acts as an official validator for the Shiba Inu network. Holders are rewarded with validator rewards and DAO revenue. Holders are rewarded with the validator rewards and DAO revenue. So, what is the meaning of this line is, first, as I told earlier, you have to have $10 in your Get.io account to get 1% share in K9 Finance DAO. Okay, so after you claim for this airdrop, the holders are rewarded with validator reward and DAO revenue. So you will get a reward, okay, in this DAO project. Now, who is the founder of K9 DAO? The K9 DAO core team is a group of elected members of the DAO that have been elected by K9 token holders. Okay, so what is the meaning of this line is, means as you hold 1% share in K9 DAO, so you will ultimately become the member of K9 DAO. So K9 DAO core team is a group of elected members of the DAO that have been elected by K9 token holders. Okay, so token holders, अगर आप टोकन खरीदते हैं देन यू विल बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ K9 DAO. एंड टोकन खरीदने का क्या था आपका प्राइस, वो था $10 का। $10 से आपको गेट अकाउंट में $10 होना चाहिए, जिससे आपको यहाँ पे 1% का होल्डिंग मिल सके, शेयर मिल सके K9 DAO का। Here आ रहा है यहाँ पे नोटिफाई मी फॉर फ्री एयर ड्रॉप्स, आप इसको नोटिफाई ये कर सकते हैं। क्या है इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर स्टार्टअप, अगर कोई स्टार्टअप स्टार्टिंग में अगर ये करना चाहता है तो ओके, सो स्टार्टअप परचेज प्राइस 0 GT है यहाँ पे। फ्री ऑफरिंग अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे सप्लाई, अगर स्टार्टअप सप्लाई देखें तो 3846153,846 के K9 का है। So 3,846,30,38 billion 46 lakh something 3,846,153,846 K9. So 3,084,61,000 something and 100% unlock rule है। So highlight and visions, अगर highlights and visions की अगर हम बात करें तो K9 Finance DAO mission is to bring DeFi to Shiba Inu and aims to become the infrastructure layer for all DeFis for Shiba Inu. The product offers liquid staking, real-linked staking, farming, escrow, and vesting opportunities for DeFi on Shiba Inu. So now we'll talk about token economics. क्या है टोकन इकोनॉमिक्स की अगर हम बात करें, द K9 token acts as a governance token with membership to the K9 DAO and services as a real yield staking token for the liquid staking network. So what is the meaning of this line is, ये K9 DAO जो है वो एक्ट करता है गवर्नेंस टोकन की तरह विथ मेंबरशिप। मेंबरशिप मतलब अगर आप मेंबरशिप आपके पास है तो ठीक है, टू द K9 DAO एंड services as a real yield staking token for the liquid staking network. Now टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू की अगर हम बात करें यहाँ पर तो क्या है ये, अगर यहाँ पे हम टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू की बात करें तो K9 DAO operates a validator system on the Shiba Inu network and has created liquid staking infrastructure to support real yield staking and liquid staking that derives rewards from the SHIB validator network. अगर इसकी टेक्निकल ओवरव्यू की बात करें तो ये किस नेटवर्क पे ऑपरेट करता है, शिबा INU नेटवर्क पे, और ये क्रिएट कर चुका है लिक्विड स्टेकिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू सपोर्ट रियल यील्ड स्टेकिंग एंड लिक्विड स्टेकिंग दैट डिराइव्स रिवॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम द SHIB वैलिडेटर नेटवर्क। सी हमें यहाँ पे रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेगा अगर हम उसका K9 फाइनेंस DAO का कुछ 1% का अगर हम शेयर खरीदते हैं $10 से तो हमें उस पर रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेगा, यू विल गेट द रिवॉर्ड्स। अगर टोकन एलोकेशन की बात करें, अगर इसका हम टोकन लेते हैं तो यहाँ पर APE टर्मिनल IDO यहाँ पर जो है ये 1% का है, प्री सेल है अगर करते हैं तो ये है 7.6% का, ये एरिया जो है वो प्री सेल का एरिया है, ठीक है। अब आता है SC/KOL सेल्स, इसकी जो परसेंटेज है वो 16.79% की है, दिस एरिया। एंड फोर्थ वन इज फंडिंग एंड फ्यूचर टीम, this area, so 20%, and marketing and treasury, the fourth one is funding and future team, which denotes this area 20%, marketing and treasury which is a 34%, so this area marketing treasury indicates this area. Now airdrops which is 7%, this area, liquidity 3.61%, this area indicates liquidity, and last one is advisors which is 10%, this area। अगर हम APE टर्मिनल IDO की बात करें तो यह है 1.00%। यहाँ पे बात करें तो metaverse applications powered by decentralized real-time edge rendering. And who is the founder of this? CEO Matt Amsgayer, who previously served as CTO for Kardashian, is a technologist with extensive experience across digital innovation sectors, including mobile telecoms, advertising, and e-commerce. Okay, now we'll see other tokens as well. Second one is SWGT, Smart World Global Token. You can claim, hold GT and claim free. We'll click on this. Now, if you click on this written word, which is SWGT, now this page will get open. Here you can see, you can also claim this whole GT and claim free. You can also claim this one. See, GT holdings with 1 share subscribed for every 10 GT, means आपको 10 GT $10 आपके Get.io अकाउंट में होना चाहिए to get 1% share in SWGT. All right, now now you see an airdrop NMT. NetMind Power is a decentralized computing platform. C इसका क्या है, यहाँ पे तो हम लोगों ने देखा, this is raised from this to this. K9 Finance Draw is still 0.00%. इसकी प्राइस रेज अभी नहीं हुई है. Now we'll talk about NMT. Let's see what is the price. The higher VIP tier, the more free shares. View all VIP default shares. See, you can see. Wait. Now, VIP tier, maximum shares, VIP 0, lucky draw. So these are all the you can see VIP 1 20, VIP 240, VIP 300. You can claim with all this, with the VIP tokens, VIP tier and maximum shares you can get. If you have VIP 0, then lucky draw, VIP 1, then 20, and VIP 2 40, maximum shares. These are all the maximum shares. So the time is 19 hours. So time है अभी 19 hours का. You can यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करके आप फ्री एयर ड्रॉप्स के लिए आप नोटिफिकेशन को अलाउ कर सकते हैं. अगर इसकी थोड़ी सी बात की जाए तो NetMind Power. So NetMind Power is a decentralized computing platform dedicated to developing infrastructure, technology, and an ecosystem for future AGI, making AI both accessible and affordable for everyone. Who is the founder? He is the founder, Kai founder. Kai, the founder and the CEO, has established a notable presence in AI communities. He earned his bachelor's degree in mathematics and physics from Tsinghua University and a master's in mathematics and statistics from Georgetown University. Kai also helms Protago Labs and non-profit AGI Audacies. His entrepreneurial journey starting in 2010 and has given him over a decade of experience in AI, and he has authored 11 academic papers accruing over 2,000 citations. This is about NMT airdrop token, NetMind token. Okay. Here you will get the option invite and earn more. You can also invite some of your colleagues in this, and you will get paid for that. You can earn, sorry, you can earn. Now you can see the other another airdrop is super dap. The time is 20 hours 13 minutes. Let's see what is inside this. Okay, so the here you can also same as K9 Finance DAO. Once I subscribe for 10 GT. The time is 23 hours 13 minutes 24 seconds. Let's talk about Super DApp project. What is the project? Super DApp is revolutionizing digital interactions by integrating AI and Web3 technologies to address industry challenges. The AI driven digital assistant AIDA enhances communications and task management, offering users a cohesive and efficient experience within the platform. This integration transforms SuperDApp into a one-step destination for unparalleled convenience and productivity, with AI enhancing every aspects of the user's experience through personalized recommendations and intelligent apps. Pika protocol. Time is 10 hours. Pika is this is another airdrop. Pika is BitLayer's official launchpad platform, offering fair launch, primary market AMM, and meme launch features. It supports multiple blockchains, including BitLayer, BSC, ETH, TON, and Base, and has over 35,000 active users. Also, there are more airdrops: HNB protocol, NFMart, Y, Neurochain, AI. But the trade is not had it has started yet. account. This is the official Twitter account of ये K9 of K9 DAO, Financial DAO. You can go and learn more about K9 Finance DAO on this Twitter account. This is the Twitter account of K9 Finance DAO, which is SHIB token. Okay. See, this is Shiba grows bigger, gets stronger, and never slows. Be part of the future, be part of the Shiba. Easily you can become the member just with $10 and you will get 1% of share. See, thanks to everyone who visited our booth. Check out these cool moments from today. Scroll down. You will get to know more about K9 DAO. See here what here written is, be part of the future, be part of the Shiba. Shiba grows bigger, gets stronger, and never slows. Okay, so see, Shiba gets bigger, gets stronger, and never slow. So this is a best opportunity, or I can say best options to invest your money on Shiba. K9 Finance DAO. Also, you get rewards and bonus after buying the share of 1% with K9 Finance DAO. This is the official account of K9 Finance DAO. See, K9 Finance DAO has partnered with Get.io to integrate K9 and for a variety of marketing and growth activities. These are they had partnered with Get.io to integrate K9 and for a variety of marketing and growth activities for so आपका भी यहाँ पे growth होगा. Your personal growth is also here. This is the official website of K9 Finance DAO. You have to write K9 Finance DAO and this page will get open. These are all the titles. On clicking any title, you will get to know about K9 Finance DAO. You can join K9 Finance DAO on Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. C. Join the canine unit. So, want to join a fast growing group of canine financed dogs? There are many ways to get involved. You will get you if you wanted to get involved under this, you will have to click on this get involved and go for it. No, wait. Mhm. So these are all the options from where you can buy canine finance dog. So we will talk about how to buy on Uniswap. Let's see what you have to do. First, you have to open this site. On the left side, you will get an option how to buy on Uniswap. Now, make sure you are using a wallet that work on the Ethereum network, Ethereum network, MetaMask, etc. Confirm you are on the Ethereum network. Make sure you have ETH in your wallet. Required to purchase K9. As I told you in Get.io, the same is coming here. What I told you in Get.io app, you will have to have $10 in your Get.io account so that you can purchase 1% share of Canine Finance Dog. Here also, make sure you have ETH in your wallet required to purchase Canine. Now this is the site app. You will get Uniswap app. See, select token. Select token. You will get the option select token. Now connect your wallet using the connection button in the top right. Top right, connection button, connect. Now this options come and you will have to connect. Make sure your first token is set to ETH. First token को ETH पे हमें set करना है. Now click the select token drop down on the second token. सेकेंड टोकन को ड्रॉप डाउन करना है और यहाँ पर सेकेंड टोकन का ऑप्शंस को हमें सेलेक्ट करना है. नाउ with the selected token, screen open page the official K9 contract address, this one. Now you should see the K9 Finance token appear as an option once you paste the address. Now see address, you have to paste the address in this area. Now click on the Canine Finance token and press I understand. Here you get this option I understand. You will have to press on that. You should now see the following balance will represent on your wallet. Here balance starts representing on your wallet. Enter the amount of ETH you would like to swap for K9 and press swap. कितना अमाउंट आपको डालना है वो वहाँ पे आपको डाल देना होगा और उसके बाद फिर आपको स्वैप करना है. Confirm the transactions in your wallet. Congratulations, you now hold K9 token. Now आपको K9 token आपको ETH के थ्रू आपको मिल जाएगा. तो ये गाइडेंस आपका था ETH के थ्रू कैसे K9 टोकन को आपको परचेज करना है. ना ओवरव्यू, अगर हम ओवरव्यू की बात करें K9 फाइनेंस DAO का ओवरव्यू, तो K9 फाइनेंस DAO is a DAO governed liquid staking protocol for the Siberium blockchain. The product allows users to stake their ERC20 Bone token on Ethereum mainnet and immediately get the representation of their share in form of KN Bone liquid staking token on Siberium without maintaining their own staking infrastructure. Users will get staking rewards and still be able to retain custody of their K-Bone tokens. Bone tokens will be delegated across validators that are registered and accepted by the DAO inside the K9 Finance liquid staking protocol. Now, subpoint, node operators don't have direct access over the delegated assets. Node operators, they don't have the direct access over the delegated assets. They are just providing infrastructure and getting rewards in return. Mainly K9 Finance DAO ecosystem are providing infrastructure and getting rewards in return. You will get rewards in return after holding K9 Finance DAO share of 1% with your whatever GT account or ETH account. अब जितना भी आपको उसमें पैसा होगा, how much you have money on it. So basically $10, starting $10. With $10 you will have to claim and get 1% of sharing in K9 Finance DAO. Now, what is the goal? What is the purpose of K9 Finance DAO ecosystem? The goal is to support Siberium decentralization and integrate KN Bone with the variety of protocols. The goal is to support Siberium decentralization, integrate K-Bone with the variety of protocols and DeFi applications of Ethereum and Siberium. The K9 Finance DAO unlocks a wider DeFi ecosystem by providing staking, farming, and vesting functionalities built around the liquid staking protocol. Now let's talk more about K9 Finance DAO. The K9 Finance DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization that manages the liquid staking protocol. What the important point is, the liquid staking protocol. Okay, by deciding on key parameters, example, setting fees, assigning node operators, etc. through the voting power of governance token K9 holders. Also, the DAO will accumulate service fees that are managed by the DAO. Follow these links to get more details on voting. How to vote? K9 Finance DAO governance process. Canine token. Canine token is the ecosystem governance token, granting governance rights in the Canine Finance DAO. By holding the Canine token, one is granted voting rights within the DAO. In Canine Finance DAO, each Canine token permits one vote. The Canine token can also be staked to receive governance free reward. Here, the important point is the Canine token can also be staked to receive governance free rewards. Now we'll talk about Source Hat audit, smart contract audit report of this. This report represents the outcome of our collaborative engagement with the Canine Finance team, focusing on the comprehensive evaluation of the token vesting and Canine token contracts. Our team conducted an initial security assessment from June 13 to June 17, 2024. On June 18th, our team amended this report to reflect the most recent commit for the Canine token contract on the team's GitHub repository. So these are the audit scope, source code, Canine tokens, this inheritance chart function graph, token ETH mainnet inheritance chart function graph. Now vesting ETH mainnet inheritance chart function. You can read out risk impact recommendations on Canine Finance DAO. Now, Media Kit. If we talk about Media Kit, Canine Finance branding guideline. These are the branding guideline, which is, I don't think so this is important. I don't think so this is important. Okay. Get involved. Let's see what is under get involved. So these are two options. First is partnership request. So how you get if you want to avail this partnership request, now what you have to do is got a fetching idea where all us, if you believe your vision aligned with us, let's collaborate to make the canine ecosystem a better place. You can request this from here. पार्टनरशिप रिक्वेस्ट के लिए आप यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. You will have to go this request form. You will get a request form. Now media partnership. If you want to join as a media partnership, if you want to join the canine unit as a media partnership, now what you have to do, if you are the alpha of your media pack, you are hauling for you. We are hauling for you. YouTube stars, polls and news hounds. Let's team up to amplify our message. Now, if you want to join the canine unit as media partnership, best option. You will go for this. Now, DAO voting. Be an active participant in the Canine Finance DAO voting process. Engage in discussion on the forum. Cast your votes on snapshots and ensure your voice is heard in shaping the future of canine finance. This is also a very good option. If you have interest, if you wanted to do DAO voting, you will get the option here. Now, the fourth one is became a canine ambassador. You will also become a canine ambassador. Read out, lead the pack in your area where we are scouting for top dogs to represent us worldwide, ready to spread the babak about our mission. Whether it's translating whoops into your language or guiding local groups, your role is crucial. So you'll get here application form. Also, you'll get the application now open for round table of dogs. You can also apply for round table. Also, these are the option if you want to join the canine unit. Also, you wanted to, there are many ways to get involved with the canine finance dog, and these are the options. First one is the partnership request. You will give a partnership request, media partnership. If you wanted to join canine finance DAO as media partnership unit, DAO voting, also you can join canine finance DAO unit as DAO voting. Also you can become a canine ambassador. So these are the description how you will become. These are all the options, different options for becoming the part of canine. Also, under the title, this is the subtitle: Canine Governance Dog Constitution, Canine Forum, Dog Charter, Forum Guidelines, Roundtable on Dog, How to Vote on Snapshot. These are all the subtitles under governance. You go and read out about this. Now, and the third one is quick links. Also, you will get quick links, which are token terms. This is the important. Let's see token term. What is token term? Now, group overview. See here, this canine token will be built using distributed ledger technology, which contain unchangeable code functions, leveraging software which will enable its users to own or trade a specific type of token. Okay, so what canine finance enable users? See, canine, they enable users to own and trade a specific type of tokens. Okay, see here. As a part of an international growth strategy, it is an anticipated that the group will provide new and advanced features to its unit, which are designed to expand its abilities. Additionally, the group will enhance its administrative, technical, and development services to the blockchain technology network enabled by its user. So, what the most important point for you is this point. These canine token will be built using distributed ledger technology, which contains unchangeable code functions, leveraging software which will enable its users to own and trade a specific type of token. So here for you, the important point is this. In order to work with the canine ecosystem, you are required to acquire the canine tokens and use them within that ecosystem. These terms govern your use of those tokens both in the canine ecosystem and generally. If we see the overview of network and services, so Canine is a totally revolutionary platform that uses element of blockchain, AI, AR, and web-based data transfer to enable users to engage with the developed ecosystem. The Canine token are built on the Siberium blockchains and use that technology, which is accessible from most computer and mobile devices via a private wallet. Okay, so these are very important points which you can see under canine token terms. Go and have checkout on these subtitles. You can also follow Canine DAO on Twitter I have already shared, I have already told I have already told the Twitter account of K9 Finance DAO. Okay, now, so again what I am saying, you have to open get.ac/startup. This is the site from Get.io site. Now scroll down, this page will get open. You have to scroll down. Now here you get the K9 Finance DAO official SHIB project. This so you have to, this you get an option hold GT and claim free. Now you go hold GT and claim free option. You have to log in and password, Get.io login and password. Login, or else you click on K9 Finance DAO. Here you get the share that can be subscribed is calculated based on the GT holding, which one share subscribed for every 10 GT. तो आपके पास you have to $10 in your Get.io account for holding one share on Get.io, K9 Finance DAO to hold the share. Now the time is 1 day, 23 hours 42 minutes. This is the time. तो इससे पहले, before this timeline, you have to buy K9 Finance DAO holding with 10 GT, $10 GT. If we go on Hot GT, and again you have to log in with your email, phone, username, Get.io email, phone, username. If you don't have any, please do make email, phone, username, login and password. So first you have to give the email which you have registered Get.io, and again the password. And you claim the K9 Finance DAO holdings official SHIB project. So this also, these are all also you will get to know more about this K9 Finance DAO when you scroll down on your page. Go and have a small read about this. All right, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, and I hope you like the video, and okay, thank you.